Today is Boracay, so today we are going to move away from beach and go and see the city. So let's see how the city looks like. Land tour. Okay, so we have taken our trip here in the tricycle with B. Alagos Jr. He's our guide for today, and he's taking us to the Keyhole Beach and the Grotto Beach, followed by the I Love Boracay signage at the Bullabog. It's called the Land Tour here in Boracay. Okay, vehicles cannot enter beyond this place. Wow. Zippy, look at this. Good thing is there is no entry fee, and we are paying about 600 pesos to our e-trike guy. So he's taking us to Keyhole Beach, followed by Grotto Beach, Bullabog Beach, and drop us back. Not a bad deal. Oh, there are e-bikes here. Wait for our turn. Not really. They don't let us go inside.
Keyhole.
Another beautiful view. This one. There we see the Keyhole place that we went in just now to take some pictures. Wow, look at this place. Look at the color gradient, the shades of blue, and it's less crowded here as well. Now we are in the Bullabog Beach here. Some of the boats, they have docked it over there. Oh, there are many boats here. Hop on, hop off express from Klook. At the Grotto Beach. Look at that. This small island kind of a thing here. Seems like a famous place. It's crowded. Maybe we should try this in the evening. Yeah. Okay. So Inasal it is in the night. Hi guys. We are in some crab place. Okay. Let's really see what the name is. Bukaria Crab and Pasta House in DMALL, Boracay. So this place is supposed to serve all seafood varieties, especially crab, and also Korean delicacies. So chili wings. Everything is in the range of 400 to 500, looks like. In general, DMALL is a bit expensive, so we can expect some expensive stuff here. This is the shrimp rice. Hope it is spicy. This is kimchi bibimbap, another Korean delicacy. Good. Bland.
Definitely need some sauces in this.
Oh, it's not spicy?
No, it's too bland
Oh,
for our taste. So we have to
spice it up.
add some chili oil or fish oil to enhance the taste.
Frozen iced tea is here.
Thank you.
Five peppers. Okay, now we are heading to the Paraw sunset sailing here in Boracay. So we have to walk towards station 1, then probably book tickets. So what we have heard is for a group of 4, it's a private tour and it costs about 2,500 pesos. But we'll see how much it actually costs once we buy the tickets there. You're in station 1 now. Okay, here we are near the sailing boats. I have to find the ticket counters. This is station 1. Okay, so we have booked the sailing boat for today. It's cost us 2,200 for 4 people in a private boat. So if at all you want to get a cheaper price, there's a hack. Go directly to the booking agency here at the end of station 1, which is closer to this Astoria Boracay here. Just walk towards the end. And you could get it as low as 2,000 pesos. We tried to bargain, but we didn't succeed in 2,000, but we got it for 2,200. People will start from 3,000, but I think you could still get it for as low as 2,200. Best of luck. Okay, so here we go. We're boarding our sailboat. So it's going to be a 30 minutes sail.
It's okay.
Hello, guys.
Oh, wonderful experience. This is the speciality of Boracay. Paraw sailing.
That's station 2 over there. And look at the crowd. The beach is almost full, packed. This is us. Started from station 1 on our sailboat. Okay, now we are reaching back to the docking station.
Chào, tâm bột gì cả báo?
Henann crystal stands. Our third Henann in 3 days.
We made क्या कहते हैं उसे 3 वाला खर्चा कितना म्हणजे हॅट्रिक केला